September 23rd, 2006, the sun dawned early in Land of the Rising Sun, and the Japanese woke up to the biggest Indian festival in Tokyo, Namaste India. The mutual affinity between the two great nations and civilizations of Asia demonstrated its popular mass character when over 2 lakh visitors came to participate in the 2-day Namaste India festival at Tokyo's picturesque Yoyogi Park on September 23rd and 24th. It was India's biggest cultural event in Japan since the famous Festival of India in 1987. Speaking as the chief guest at India Centre's 10th anniversary function, the Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe said, India can be a strong partner of Japan in creating a new phase in Asia's history. We also need this partnership, mutual development. I'm convinced that we have a lot to learn from India. Under the dynamic leadership of Mr. Vibhav Kant Upadhyay, ICF has played a pivotal role in championing the visit of former Japanese Prime Minister Yoshihiro Mori in 2000. This seminal visit broke the post-Pokhran deadlock in Indo-Japanese relationship and paved the way for improved relations. In 2000, the India-Japan Global Partnership Initiative was championed, of which ICF was the primary architect. Since then, ICF has been diligently working towards increasing the interaction between India and Japan at all levels. The Namaste India Festival, which was well timed to draw weekend crowds on Saturday and Sunday, complemented and further amplified the friendly atmosphere created at the previous day's India Center anniversary. An annual event in Tokyo, it attracted 50,000 visitors in 2 days in 2005. The number more than tripled in 2006. Full of color and vibrancy, the main attractions of the festival this year included a musical extravaganza by the internationally renowned sitar player Nishat Khan, accompanied by Sabir Khan, Kathak performance by Masako Sato, a Japanese dancer who studied under Birju Maharaj for 10 years, Odissi performance by Masako Ono, yet another accomplished Japanese artist, and the Brand Smith Bollywood Troupe's performances. The audience sure did seem enthralled by the very well choreographed performances on the very popular Bollywood numbers. India Center Foundation is a non-profit, non-partisan organization dedicated to the goal of nation building through global partnerships. Since 1996, it has played the role of a catalyst, facilitating multi-level, cross-sectoral interaction between India and the global community. It seeks to evolve unique and appropriate initiatives and create replicable models to accelerate sustainable socio-economic development. Namaste India, an event which created some magical moments and brought nostalgia around, was graced by many from all walks of life. The Japanese group did a fantastic performance on the Rang De Basanti number. The Indian community also came in good numbers and danced to the pulsating Punjabi and Bollywood numbers. And how can Indian food go missing? With the great Indian food festival going on, there sure was plenty to choose from. Naan, tandoori chicken, makhni dal, and all the other lip-smacking cuisines. The Japanese sure did relish them. Team India did definitely do a great job. And as they say, all good things must come to an end. So did Namaste India. But not without leaving vivid memories behind. And then it was Sayonara Tokyo.